Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I keep my area clean in order to get those good paint jobs. Alright, let's get started. Let me show you the equipment that I use. One of them is this. This is from the company Giraffetools. It's a wall mounted pressure washer. It's an electric pressure washer which has 2200 psi of pressure coming out. And this is a real good tool. This is what I use to clean the floors, to clean the walls, and keep everything nice and clean so that the paint jobs would come out nice and clean. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate as to how I use it. I'm going to show you the cleaning of that so that the other car is ready to come in. Alright, this is the equipment right here. It's a real nice equipment. It's a wall mounted, real easy to install. Alright, it's real simple to connect. They do include everything that's needed to connect to your hose. There's no science to it. Real simple. The gun source here, and you're good to go. They do come with a little foam cannon so you can wash your car. I do wash the cars when before I'm gonna paint so that I can get everything, all the residue off from the sanding. So it's real nice. I believe it's a 200-foot hose that it has. It's wind up by itself. Let me just extract it so you can see. Right there, you can see that it's picking everything up. Everything's being pushed that way, which I'm gonna just clean it up. But all the tips are right here. You do have different types of tips that you can use. If for some reason it's kind of like not being removed, you can use a sharper tip and remove it. There it is. It's cleaned. All that blue that's left over, that's actual paint that painted the floor. But The walls are clean, everything's clean, we're good to go. And there it is. That's the machine from the Giraffetools. That's the link right there. Go ahead, get you one. You're gonna be very, very satisfied with this product. I've been using it for a while already. Haven't had any issues. You already saw me roll everything back in. Nice and cozy right there. That's it. Very good. And this is it, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is how I keep my area clean for the next paint job. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next weekend. Thank you. God bless.